Hi, Alverno alumni. My name is Melissa Campos, and I am the Director of Alumni Affairs and Advancement. Our department, on behalf of the Alumni Association, has been working hard to see what improvements can be made to better keep all of you connected to Alverno. We know that each of you are very busy. Some of you are pursuing educational degrees, some are pursuing career paths, others are enjoying a nice little family of your own, and others are just simply enjoying life. With that said, we understand that participating in volunteering and coming back to your alma mater can be difficult at times. Knowing this, we have created a new structure that we believe will benefit each of you as an Alverno alumna. The hope is that by integrating this new structure with the Alumni Association that has already been established, that we will be able to connect with each of you and see more of you. There are two main ways you can do this. The first is by leading. What was previously known as the Alumni Committee will now be known as the Alumni Board of Directors. The Alumni Board will serve as a governing body for the Alumni Association. The board will work in tandem with Alverno High School and the Board of Trustees to grow and strengthen the alumni network and bridge the student to alumni experience. The second tier is by participating, and there are two ways you can participate. The first is the Alumni Board Committee. This board will be a work group that plans and carries out initiatives led by the Alumni Board. The best part about this group is that you don't necessarily need to be local to participate in the committee. There are many activities that will come throughout the year that you can do in the comfort of your own home. The second way you can participate is by being an alumni ambassador. The alumni ambassadors will be a select group of alumni that are most enthusiastic and supportive of Alverno High School. The alumni ambassadors will be responsible for helping to grow Alverno's reputation and highlight the opportunities available to those women who graduate with an Alverno education. So many of you have gone on to accomplish such great things, and we believe that our potential students and their families would love to hear about what you've accomplished because of your Alverno education. Our hope is that each of you will consider each of these tiers and see which one you feel you like best. Pick the tier and the group that you believe you can contribute to most. You were all accepted to Alverno for a very specific reason, and we are very proud to say that you are an alumna of our community. We would love to welcome you back so that you can share your talents once again with Alverno High School.